2012 BMW, and we have low oil pressure in this car, so we're gonna change the oil pump in this 2012 BMW twin turbo. I'll keep updating on how we're gonna fix this car because it sounds so terrible, guys. Alright, see you later. Alright, so we have the 2012 BMW 750i, and we just removed the oil pump in this car. The oil pump goes here, and we have the issue with the oil pump low pressure. We removed the oil pump that it's located behind this cover. You have to remove the oil sensor, remove this little cover, take off all these nuts around it, and you're gonna see the oil pump like this against the housing here with the chain. And we actually found the issue with this car. It looks like the sprocket came off loose from the oil pump, and the oil pump became so loose that it was no longer pumping oil in the engine, causing the engine to knock a lot. And we have here the new oil pump, but we're gonna need new parts for this. We're gonna need a new nut, this one, and also we're gonna need the sprocket that comes with this, because this thing is really damaged. When it was loose, it was just spinning around all free, not doing any work in the car. And here's all the parts we're gonna need. If you want to know this website, this is a website you can go to. It's called realom.com. I'll leave the link in the description. And this is the part we're gonna need: this ring with the sprocket, and also the fuel pump, the oil pump, and all the gears, all the oil rings and the nut for it. Tells you the prices and the part numbers you need. Just call the dealership and they're gonna have the parts ready for you. And stay tuned for the next outcome of this job on this 2012 BMW 750i. Alright guys, so we have the parts already here, and we just installed our gear in the pump already, and this is how it looks like. It needs to look tight, and it should spin freely, really nice. And here's the bad boy. This is the whole issue with the car. That's the oil pump. It looks like it got old. Cannot turn it, so we definitely know the pump was the issue that caused this problem. And also, if they were racing the car or something, I don't know what they did to it. But we have all the seals that we need here. All the seals, and we just have to put everything back together. So the oil pump is installed already, and all it's left to do is put the cover on and start it. See what happens.
We need to put oil through it.
We have to put the oil, pre-charge it or pre-purge it or something like that, whatever it's said. But the biggest problem was to adjust it, and to adjust it you have to make sure that the timing chain is tight enough, not too tight, not too loose.
You can use the little washer.
And you can use washers for to use spacers. They go between the bolts behind. It has adjusting nuts over there, but they're really hard to adjust from here. So we just use washers to tight the oil pump and make it work. And we'll see what happens. Okay, so we are here and we're gonna start the engine for the first time. So let's hear it. Hit it. Yeah. No more noise. Vámonos. And this, guys, this is how you fix the annoying sound on this 2012 BMW 750 Li. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like, and see you next time.